Come on.
2, 3.
Hoću da idem u Srbiju.
Hoću da idem u Srbiju.
Hoću da... No, wait. Hoću da idem u Srbiju.
Repeat it. Da,
Hoću da...
no, da,
Da
upoznam
upoznam
najlepše,
najlepše
momke
momke
na
na
svetu.
Tell me
svetu.
something nasty.
Right.
You
You
see?
see where you're from?
Most beautiful
Mexico.
guys in the
Mexico,
Mexico?
and we're Serbians are gonna go to
Mexico.
Mexico.
Mexico in Serbian.
Mexico,
Mexico.
Porta Vallarta.
Puerto Vallarta. Chocala.
Si, chocala.
Chocala. Chocala.
Chocala.
High five. Come on, we're doing it.
Come on.
Chocala.
Chocala.
Si, da.
What else do you know how to say?
Laku noć.
Mm-hmm. What it means, no?
Good night.
Good night.
I know dobro.
What is that?
I'm good.
Mm-hmm.
Brate.
What?
Brate.
Oh, yeah.
Brother.
Oh, yes.
Kako si?
Mhm.
Okay, so yeah, no more filming. I know.
Who's the famous player?
Oh, Djokovic. I
Djokovic.
know Djokovic.
Yeah.
And he lives in Monte Carlo.
Mm-hmm.
And that's it.
That's it. That's
Yeah.
good enough.
Okay, what do you know about Mexico?
It's great.
Totally.
Great people,
Great
great
people.
stuff.
Hey,
Great
that's the
culture,
only thing you know.
tacos.
Yeah.
And
No,
Tacos and
Guadalajara.
everything else,
Oh, yeah, you
yeah.
have to say Guadalajara song.
yeah.
Guadalajara is
No,
the great.
sing.